Hey everyone, आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ रेड लिपस्टिक and winged eyeliner glam. And of course, as always, starting with skin prep. And today I've used two of my favorite high-end products, the Tarte spray and the Embroidery cream. Brows के लिए मैं use कर रही हूँ नारी का brow brush, and the angle side is just the right amount of thickness to pick up the product, fill up the brows, and of course I use the spoolie to groom them. आप सब जानते हैं how much I love the Louise Eye shadow base, and I've used the same, and I've used the Nari brushes in cut and curve and concealer small to give her the smoothest eyeshadow base. And of course, if the bride is wearing a red lehenga and I'm giving her a red lipstick, my preference of eyeshadow colors is always browns and neutrals, not warm and not cool tones for sure. साथ में यूज़ कर रही हूँ डोज ऑफ कलर्स का बेक्ड ब्राउन्स 1. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट मैट आई शैडो पैलेट्स. नारी के ब्लेंडिंग ब्रशेस के साथ मैं क्रिएट कर रही हूँ एक सीमलेस आई शैडो ग्रेडेशन. And of course, I use a very dark brown also at the outer corners and I drag it into the crease. And after I finish the gradation of brown eyeshadows in matte finish, it's time for some gold shimmer and for a popping eyeliner. I love to use the Inglot and the NYX eyeliner for the same. And then it's time to apply the concealer, and I'm using the Nari brushes for the same. Today I'm also going to use my most favorite foundation, the Makeup Forever Stick Foundations. I also highlight the face using a shade lighter than her skin tone. And once it's all blended in place, it's time for a cream contour, and I'm using the Huda Tantour for this. So guys, I usually do not like to do a cream contour, but I'm doing it here because this demo is a part of my professional makeup course, and during this course I teach my students different techniques on each day. For the blush, I use the Sigma Cordirosa blush palette, and I'm also using this color from Milani, which has been one of my favorites for many years now. For the shimmer highlighter, it's Becca Champagne Pop, which is now a part of Smashbox Cosmetics. I also use the same color in the inner corners, and of course, I powder the face as well with the Huda loose powder. For the lip liner, today I'm using Huda Miss America, and oh my god guys, I am absolutely in love with this red lipstick. Highly recommend it. What a popping red. I've used a color bar lip liner as well. So I hope you like the look guys. Waiting for your comments. Thank you everyone for watching. Take care.